So in today's video, Scott and I are going out into the new garden area that we created, and we are going to be leveling up those garden beds. And then from there, once they're level, and they don't have to be level, like perfectly level, they just need to be touching the ground for us or for what we're gonna do. It's not like they're not like this. They're just a little. And so we're gonna level them out, and then from there we'll fill them up. But let me show you that space real quick. This is the raised garden bed area that we've been working on. We removed the sod, then we tilled it, and then we put down the cedar mulch, and then Scott built these raised beds with untreated wood. There are four 4x8 beds and two 4x4 beds. Let me get us a little closer. And today, like I said, we're going to be leveling them out because some of them are sitting where there's gaps underneath them, especially on these two right here. And we're going to start with those two closest to the fence because that's the one I want to plant up soonest. And you see we did have a garden soil haul, but I'm going to mix the garden soil with other things to make it a fluffy soil for these raised beds. But these are pretty deep. They're about 12 inches, between 10 and 12 inches, well, 10 and 14 inches tall. So they're going to hold a lot of soil, and to make it less expensive, of course, I'm just going to mix soils together. And we live in Louisiana where it's hot and humid, and that soil can dry out really fast. So I'm not real concerned about anything rotting in these raised planter beds. But I will put something in it so it's not a tight, compacted soil. Anyway, let's see what we're going to do next. All right, we got to move those cattle panels real quick. One at a time.
Sure.
Just lean them on their side somewhere. Or lay them flat. Okie dokie. These aren't heavy, but they're just awkward. You okay? Oh, okay. Let's just move it as it is. Yeah, let's move it because we got to work around it. We just bungee cord this one so we could see what it would look like. Just give us an idea of our spacing. Okay. We wanted to make sure we weren't too far apart. Where the well, that bungee came undone. Can you redo it? That one corner. I thought maybe the wind blew it over. I was like, oh look, it's gonna go rolling. Hey, if we had known about these when our kids were little, we could have done that and then covered it with a sheet and made a little tunnel for them play in. A little cave. That'd have been creative. All right. Anyway, so I think this is a 5-foot spread, and I think that's the perfect thing because it's tall enough that he can walk under it without having to crouch. Okay, this one looks like
This one needs soil right there.
Does it need soil or just needs the soil moved out of the way?
It needs soil right there. Or
I say we move soil away. So first we got to get this mulch out of here.
Why?
Remember I explained this already?
Explain it again. Huh?
So we're removing the mulch so that the roots can get down to the soil. The mulch.
We're gonna put soil in here.
Yes, but I don't want to put it on top of the mulch. Well, it's for the walking path to keep the weeds out, or for on top of the beds to keep the weeds out. I don't want a mat of suppressed. I don't want the mulch at the bottom.
You're gonna have soil up to here.
I don't know all the plant's roots, but as of right now, to get them level, I say we move the mulch out of there and then get the sides up to So just remove this mold. See how it humps right here? Like this is a hump right
I
here.
see that, but I think there's one right here too.
All right.
See what the level says.
Well, we're still good there.
We're real close.
So I say we lower this.
How do you lower it?
You lift it up and I just move a little of this mulch. Just a little. Just the tiniest bit.
I don't think it's gonna go any lower because
Okay, well let's just let me just make it even. Alright, now put it down. Oops.
it's the box, Terry. Can't do anything about that.
Give me my level.
It's close enough. It's the box.
Okay. It is the box. What's wrong with your box?
Wood comes in all sides.
Uh-huh.
Alright, I'm out.
Alright, bye-bye.
My work here is done.
Okay. I'll do all
Just gotta
this.
get that mulch out of there. And then we'll work on something in a couple hours, like filling along with soil and amending the soil, I guess.
Guess I'll come in for a watermelon break. Watermelon break. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, have a good day.